Welcome back to TechVerse Galaxy. Today, we're going to dive a bit deeper and explore some hidden Android features you didn't know. Feature 1, screen recording. Capture the content on your screen without the need for any extra apps. Feature 2, smart text selection. Efficiently copy and share the text with the AI-based suggestions. Feature 3, battery saver AI cleverly extends your battery life by learning your usage patterns and then adapts accordingly. Feature 4, gesture navigation. Effortlessly swipe, tap, and control your phone even faster and more efficiently. Feature 5, AI photo suggestions. Get stunning automatic edits for your photos, ensuring that they always look their best. Try these features and see how much smoother your phone experience becomes. Comment which one surprised you most, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and hidden tricks.